Some of my nominees have said they literally could not do a single push-up. The problem is, you're making it too hard. Make it easier for yourself. We're about to show you a number of ways you can make your push-ups easier. I'll start with push-up stands. This just makes it easier on the wrist, so your wrists are less likely to give out. It's also a slight elevation in the front of the body. When we tilt ourselves that way, there's less work for the upper body. We're going to show you a bunch of those in just a second. If you don't have push-up bars and you don't want to buy push-up bars, who blames you? Use dumbbells if you have a dumbbell. Okay, so they work the same way. They keep the wrist straight. Another way to make this a little easier on yourself, to lower your bottom half, lower the knees. Do your push-ups this way. Okay, so those are some easy tips. Stay tuned for a few more. You can do it against a fence post. You can do it against a stair. Do it on a tabletop, or do it on a chair. You can do it on a bench. You can do it on your shed, or on a granite stone wall. Or you can do it in your bed. Are we still talking about push-ups here? Or a tree or a pole or a trash can in your yard, or you can run next door and use your neighbor's car. There, I hope that was informative and fun. The main thing when we're exercising is to make sure it's fun, not arduous, because then we won't want to come back to it. So listen to your body. It's going to tell you all the time whether you're doing too much or whether you're really taking it too easy and you could challenge yourself more. Have fun with these.